Hey, good evening, guys. This is the birds that I have. That's my pet bird here. See, where's my pet bird? It's flying. Oh, I think it's disgusting from the light. No, let's do this after tomorrow. But let's do this now. Now, this is the bird that is flying. It's so flying because it's flying. It is the rattling bird because the rattling snake, the snake, the tail is so rattling, and his tail also rattling. So a rattling bird. I have fed here the mozzarella cheese with some micro USB and I micro USB cheddar mozzarella cheese. Yes, yes, he is going outside, but he cannot escape because he's so idiot. Let's turn off the flash so you can see anything. Yes, here. Yes, the bird. I will just feed him with this Oshi crackers. Here, Oshi. His favorite Oshi. Let's put in here Oshi crackers. Yes. It can fly above 1,699 kilometers per hour. Yes, it's so amazing, incredibly amazing. Oh, where's the bird? Yeah, this is a night bird because he sleeps in morning, like the bat, and, and rattling in the evening. Oh, he is disgusting from the plush because he knew